Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with Inspiring Inputs. I feel that the simplicity of life is just being yourself. The way you think, the way you behave, the way you eat can influence your life by 30 to 50 years. At the end of the day, life is about being happy, being who you are. And I feel like we are so blessed to have the support system and the best family to really just support each other, no matter what we are going through. Life is a series of waves to be embraced and overcome. Don't go to the grave with life unused. The good life is built with good relationships. Money cannot buy peace of mind. It cannot heal ruptured relationships or build meaning into a life that has none. Life does not require that we be the best, only that we try our best. You can't get anywhere in life without taking risks. Life's tragedy is that we get old too soon and wise too late. Grit is living life like it is a marathon, not a sprint. At its best, life is completely unpredictable. It is a funny thing about life. If you refuse to accept anything but the best, you very often get it. Life is all about choices. Everyone's destination is the same, only the paths are different. The minute you decide to do what you love to do, you have made a life plan for yourself and a career choice. A man's accomplishments in life are the cumulative effect of his attention to detail. My guiding principles in life are to be honest, genuine, thoughtful, and caring. A man learns all his life and dies the day he thinks that he has learnt everything. The secret of success is to be in harmony with existence, to be always calm, to let each wave of life wash us a little farther up the shore. Too much sanity may be madness, and the maddest of all, to see life as it is and not as it should be. Cooking is one of the strongest ceremonies for life. When recipes are put together, the kitchen is a chemical laboratory involving air, fire, water, and the earth. This is what gives value to humans and elevates their spiritual qualities. If you take a frozen box and stick it in the microwave, you become connected to the factory. Thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. Buddha. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead.